Where are we gonna go, guys?
Going to harvest some potatoes.
Yes. Hala, look at George. George, what is that? He's helping. Look, our group, Daddy, we're like, what? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is wrong. You shouldn't, it should be in the post.
I'm still not done. I just want them to be in there for well, I think that wash will be good when it's done.
Wow, it's so big, squash.
George.
George, don't go there.
4 watermelon.
Oh, there's another squash.
There's like 6 watermelon. Look at this corn. It's ready. This corn is picked today.
Look at the watermelon, it's so big.
This is our first corn.
Oh, where's the corn? Oh, wow.
And here's another one, I think.
Ethan,
The flea beetles are
show them.
showing on. Look at it.
The,
Oh, there's one pair hiding.
yeah, there's
It's like
three.
it's like a baby. Like this is the dad and this is the mom, and then that's the baby.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, let's go get the potato.
Over there.
Boy, there's lots of squash. Big.
There's a gate there.
There's a gate.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the squash here. Oh, oh my, squash, squash, squash. Potato, potato, potato. I hope there is a potato.
You just pull it out.
Oh, come here, guys. Come here, guys. Oh. There's a potato. Ah, look.
Wow.
It's so big. It's so hot.
It is.
It's gotta mix.
Oh my gosh, Ethan, come here so you know the potato coming like this. It's our first time, guys, to harvest potato.
Okay, let's go. Come here.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, the biggest potato.
Put it here.
So big.
Just the extra.
Plus, there's a bunch of them.
I told you wear gloves, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just keep going. Liam, oh. Liam, show them. Yeah. Show him, video him that. Video Liam then. Yeah, put it there. Yeah.
Just pull the thing and dig it out.
Okay, here, now we're gonna pull it. There? Wow.
Yumi, you can
Yeah.
picture while doing a video. First step.
Wow. There's quite a few there.
One cup.
Wow. Yeah, smile, guys. Smile. Where is the video?
You do.
You should click. Take picture. Oh,
Jada next week.
Please.
okay, Ben's back up now.
We're gonna poke him, Mommy.
Yeah!
Wow.
Give me that to me.
Look at Liam. Video Liam. Yes, you're so strict. Goodness. You like Ruby, Ben.
No, don't touch that. Come on, Jaden.
Can you put this one in?
Yeah. Yes.
Stand over there. I think that's fine. Austin.
Liam, that's okay. Ay,
Go there.
Not potato. Not potato.
oh, I like the soil. Look at this, Liam. Now, can you picture me now? please?
Okay.
I never had a potato in my life.
Is this more potatoes than we got in the store?
Yeah. Look at this bin.
Is there another one?
Look, Vince, it's like this. Oh, I grab like that, so it's connected like that.
Oh.
And when I okay, video now. So when I look, wow,
No.
oh my God,
There you go.
oh my, oh my Lord, oh, look at this, Vince.
Wow.
Get it, Liam. Liam, get it.
Liam, get the potato.
Get the potato, Liam. Oh, poor Liam. Okay, video, Liam.
Run. Look at me, Liam. Look at me, Liam.
Look at Liam.
Look at me, Liam. Okay.
I don't see anything
Oh, look at.
here.
There's more. More. This one's so tiny. You get yours? Okay, Liam, you need to have bigger one. I wish I have like a shovel. Wow. It's really hard. Oh, I'm struggling here. It's so big. Help. Ah. It's so sticky.
This is clay dirt.
Ah. I can't remove. Put it here.
Because if you get these, they'll go somewhere else.
Yeah, good job. Okay, Ethan, you help. There's more there. Look at the potatoes there. Oh, good job.
This one needs to grow more.
Too late now. It's already.
Oh, it's so nice you didn't have chair.
Okay, put it in the orange basket.
It's
Didn't.
not fair that I don't have to.
Over here.
You want chair? Okay, come here, sit here. He just arrived. He want chair right away.
What's wrong with you?
Why did you just sit on
I thought you were a farmer.
Austin, where you going?
Look at George, he's trying to find a potato.
George! It's not kids, it's dogs.
Yeah, dirt. We need the potato. Get potato, not dirt. Dirt. Just get potatoes, cow. Go. Oh, dirt. That's yucky. Go get potatoes. Hi. Yeah.
Oh, there, man.
Bye, George. Let's go, George. Let's go home. Liam, let's go.
Bye, dude.
George. Don't step. Where you going? Let's go. Let's go, boys. Okay, bye. Don't step on the squash. Hi. Okay, Liam, hala, George is there. No, you don't have to. Let's go.
Hello everyone. We're washing the potatoes that we harvested from underneath the ground.
Oh, garden.
Oh, geez, this is heavy.
Wow, that's huge. Oh my goodness.
But you need to help. How do I?
Okay, keep scrubbing it. Help him, Vince. That's too big for him.
My hand's not the right size for that. This is the second big one.
Cool.
Big ones are they?
Huh?
This is so cold water.
Oh, this is a.
Oh boy. Lots of big potatoes. Oh, that's the clean. Is this the clean one, boy?
Wow.
Are those clean?
Yeah.
Wash them. This is clean, and this is dirty because it's in mud. Even. Why are you splashing?
He's not splashing. How can he splash?
Let's go like a splash of something. Madonna.
He can splash.
You poop.
That's the yolk. That's yolk. It's the wet yolk.
Okay. Okay, that's enough then. As long as you get the dirt.
Make this dirt. I'm the wettest one here.
Ah,
Now go.
See, that's really useful containers. You better not break that, please, boys. Then you want, what do you want me to make with the potatoes? Bake with cheese or boil it and mashed potato with gravy?
yeah, mashed potato.
So it's gonna be with turkey. No?
Yeah. Yeah, that would be a good idea.
Turkey? We don't have turkey, so we're gonna use chicken. We're gonna butcher chicken.
Go back.
That's so cutie.